Hello everyone, I'm just on Sauchiehall Street. I just tried to do Buchanan Galleries and it didn't last. I got stopped straight away. As soon as I was in the door, guys like, look, you can't film in here, private property. So, learning curve. I'm new to YouTube, so not fault in that one. So, I thought it was a public space, but you're not allowed to film. So, I'm on Sauchiehall Street. Loads of wee gift shops, there's Glasgow gifts, there's Scribbler, there's the kind of Rangers store, there's a cafe there. I think the other street, Sauchiehall Street's probably my favourite, between this Buchanan Street and Argyll Street. It's also got my favourite cinema, which I'm not sure, I think it's closed actually. I think they closed that, or they're talking about closing it, so that's a shame. It's quite a cold, wet night, you know. I think the rain's kind of stopped. If it is, it's just spitting a wee bit, but last time I was up in Glasgow I was going to film, but it was too bad, the weather, so I just left it. This is a real gem on Sauchiehall Street, Jollibee. Honestly, if you love KFC, you've got to try that. It's amazing. Absolutely. I think it's better than KFC. There's probably countless people done videos around Glasgow, around these different streets and that, and they've probably all done a good job or better job than what I can do, but I'm here, so I might as well. I don't think it's going to get my YouTube going to the top, you know, but it's another wee thing to add, another wee video, and when you're doing a YouTube channel you need to do lots of videos, so why not? That's one of my favourite sayings. Jacqueline, she's always asking me why not, she's always asking me why, and it's just a catch-all answer. I just say why not, you know what I mean? There's Popeye's chicken, I haven't tried that yet, and I really want to, but don't know. Maybe not tonight. There's a new burrito place in Glasgow Central. Well, I don't know how long it's been open for, but I think it's been open for a while. But the last time I was in Glasgow, I had one, and I used to go to one Bar Burrito, and their burritos were amazing. But that's closed now, but this one's open, and I think it's actually a lot better. So, I think a burrito it is. There's a Chinese supermarket. Like the one in Kilmarnock. I absolutely love Chinese supermarkets. They're great. Don't know what to do with them, but you know. There's a Savoy Centre. If you see my other videos, especially see my videos in San Francisco, you'll see I'm a big Bruce Lee fan. But I was in San Francisco, I went to see the hospital Bruce Lee was born. There's supposed to be a plaque, but there wasn't one there when I got there. It's all closed off. So I asked somebody, but I didn't know what I was talking about. So I got to go and see, there's a Bruce Lee mural outside the apartment where he stayed. So did a wee video of that. So that should be up at some point. I'm still working through, I've got a ton of videos for America. After between Vegas, San Francisco and New York. I think I got about 300. But anyway, aye. So you'll see, I'm a big Bruce Lee fan. There's also a VR Bruce Lee exhibition that I filmed, and I loved that. That was really cool. So aye, so I'm a big Bruce Lee fan. So when I was a kid, I always wanted to learn the nunchucks. And one day we were in the Savoy Centre and we happened to find the martial arts shop. So me and my friend Sandy, we got a pair of nunchucks, and I went down to Guruk along the Darragh Park. As soon as we were there was nobody about to see, but we had them out and we were flinging them about. And I think my friend Sandy was quite impressed that I was actually alright at it. You couldn't pick up a pair of nunchucks and do it pure brilliant. It's something you need to kind of learn. But I was actually not bad at what I was doing. compared to Sandy, I think he would agree that there was a difference, but I've got the advantage because, well, I've always attributed it to being ambidextrous. So I kind of took to it like a duck to water. So, aye, so I love the nunchucks. So I used to go into the Savoy Centre all the time to get nunchucks. Now you don't need to do that, you can just buy it online. Some more wee Christmas decorations. Aye, I like the Sauchiehall Street. I think it's my favourite. Plus, further down this way, I think it's just past the dental hospital, or just before it, there's the dental hospital. There's the garage. It's a cracking nightclub venue. Been in it a few times. Try to think, I've seen Public Image Limited, saw them. The Pretenders. Chris Hine's my favourite female singer. They've not got a big catalogue that I pure love, but the songs that I love, that I really love, you know. I absolutely love Back in the Chain Gang. So, some life she's had, you know, like my dream dates in a band that's successful, you know, get to travel the world, you know, so I'm hoping my channel takes off. I can be like that, just travelling everywhere and getting paid for it, so, aye. So, as I said earlier, why not, you know, if you get the opportunity, yeah. Down this way and to the left is the King's Theatre. If you like to go into a show. Well, it just popped into my head. I'm a big Queen fan, how could I forget this, but at the garage, once I saw Roger Taylor in there, and that was a good gig. It's the only time I've seen him solo. I've seen Brian solo, Brian May. I saw Brian May solo in the Royal Concert Hall. It was about 97, 98, something like that. I think 97. That was, I was just doing my apprenticeship on the buses. And I was at college in Edinburgh, so I'd have to travel from Greenock to Edinburgh and stuff. And I remember one day I was having to come back from college to go to the concert. And aye, it's a good gig. You can actually get that online. Brian May at the Royal Concert Hall. Not an official recording, but it's there. I dare say Roger Taylor one's there as well. I may look that one up. They're not the greatest of singers, but they're musicians and they've lost their lead singer, so you can't blame them if they go. So we've got more kind of restaurants down here. Takeaways. Exactly. I quite like shawarma. There's a new kebab shop in Halford where I stay. Halford's just about 10 minutes away from Kilmarnock, and I like that. So it's good that we've got that. So there's a dental hospital, and the garage is further down. I'll need to take Jacqueline up for a wee night out in Glasgow sometime. I've not done it for a while. Maybe January. Maybe I'll do a wee video, 24 hours in Glasgow, something like that. I think my YouTube channel we need to do things like that, so we'll see. I need to learn how to edit. Editing a video on YouTube's actually quite easy. You just upload it, and then you just cut out the wee sections that you want to cut. But making multiple videos and stitching them together, I've no idea what I've got to do there. But programs and stuff, I know I could do it. I've done similar kind of things. Well, like photos, putting them to music and stretching them out a wee bit. So I'll give it a go, and hopefully they turn out good. There's a King's Theatre down there. I think there's a nice Italian across from it. You go downstairs, but I couldn't take Jacqueline to that. And there's the garage. It's 30 years old. I must be older than that. I'll need to look that one up. Go and see who's on. Oh, the Bay City Rollers, fucking hell. You didn't hear me swear there, kids. Well, folks, I'm not going to bother with the rest of it. I don't think there's really much doing there. There probably is, but I've got a lot today and I've got to get home. So, well, if you've enjoyed that was Sauchiehall Street. Probably my favourite street in Glasgow. So, if you've enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and share, and maybe comment, let me know what you think. Really, I'm just doing a wee tour of Glasgow. It's a wee extra video for my YouTube channel. But don't forget to check out my other videos, especially Switzerland. It's my favourite place, other than Glasgow. Take care, bye.